CreditSimple Credit Score Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of CreditSimple Credit Score Tool. Links to this tool are provided in the description below, so feel free to explore them for more details. Let's dive into its features, who it's best suited for, and how it can improve your financial management. CreditSimple is a free, user-friendly platform designed to provide users with their credit score and actionable insights to improve it. Powered by data from credit bureaus, it delivers accurate and timely information about your financial health. One standout feature is its emphasis on simplicity, both in its interface and in how it breaks down complex credit details into easy-to-understand terms. The tool gives you access to your credit score, tracks changes over time, and identifies areas you can improve, such as lowering credit utilization or resolving overdue payments. One of its most valuable features is its tailored recommendations. Based on your credit profile, CreditSimple provides personalized tips and offers, such as credit cards, loans, or balance transfer options that might suit your financial situation. Security is a major focus of CreditSimple, with robust encryption ensuring that your data stays protected. Additionally, you can set up alerts to notify you of significant changes to your credit profile, helping you stay on top of potential fraud or unauthorized activity. CreditSimple is best for individuals who are new to credit monitoring or want a straightforward, no-cost way to understand and improve their financial standing. It's ideal for those who value transparency and actionable advice without being overwhelmed by technical jargon or unnecessary features. While it doesn't offer a detailed credit report like some other tools, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to stay informed about their credit score and take steps to build a stronger financial future. In conclusion, CreditSimple lives up to its name by making credit score monitoring easy and accessible. Whether you're working to improve your credit or just keeping tabs on your financial health, this tool is a reliable and secure option. Don't forget to check the links in the description to learn more and try CreditSimple today.